I just got it delivered.
Wow, thank you. Prepare a bowl for eggs. Break the egg and put it in a bowl where you can stir it. Add salt. Add water. Beat the eggs lightly. Stir the eggs for a long time. I pour the egg into the pot and turn on the gas stove. And stir it well. Stir the eggs for a long time. Stir until it's soft. Turn the convex bowl upside down and place on top of the pot. That's how you can make steamed eggs. Chop the green onions into small pieces. Ta-da! This bulging steamed egg is complete. Oh, put chopped spring onions on top. Please add 3 drops of savory sesame oil. It's really easy, right? Shall we eat now? Wow! It's savory and delicious. We have 10 subscribers right now, but we're going to make videos up to 1 million. Like and subscription notification settings are the power to keep this channel, please. Wow, it's so good. Yummy.